Living and working aboard the International Space Station is truly out of this world.
The station feels like a cruise liner by comparison, and it's 3D where you can see the world from any angle.
During their stays, ISS astronauts are constantly measured and frequently questioned about their health and living conditions. One problem that came up was carbon dioxide bubbles forming around astronauts in their crew quarters as they slept, leaving them headachy and disoriented. NASA reached out to high school students for help through what's known as their HUNCH program, or High School Students United with NASA to Create Hardware. That's where Warren Tech comes in.
The kids are up to the challenge, and we're always willing to take them to that next level.
Warren Tech STEM instructor Nate Olson has helped lead a team of talented students in developing a CO2 scrubber for the space station.
This gives them a real-world application of what is actually viable that they can build other than just looking in a book.
We have two different designs. One travels through 3 different carbon dioxide filters made out of zeolite pellets.
The pellets that we're using are actually oftentimes used in industrial power plants.
Then there's a second experiment, which is a U-shaped channel. And that one can be put on a bookshelf, it can be put in a small space, but it can suck air from a larger space.
There are down-to-earth applications for their designs, including improving indoor air quality in homes and offices by filtering out CO2. But before any of it can happen, either down here or up there, they'll have to test them on the Vomit Comet. You have to be okay with roller coasters for this ride, and these Warren Tech students say they're good to go.
Yes.
Yes. You go through all of the training, and we also have to fill out tons of documentation.
In just a few weeks, they'll board a specially outfitted NASA zero-gravity aircraft and find out how, for a few seconds at a time, the scrubber designs operate in weightlessness.
We have different data points so we can test.
The scrubber designs aren't the only Warren Tech produced items being tested in zero-G. These glove boxes have also been designed and built by the school. And while these students prepare for their flight, a second set of Warren Tech whiz kids who work out of Lakewood High have successfully tested and built a hydroponics plant growth chamber, which will be rocketing up to the ISS next week. Much more about their work in an upcoming story. It all adds up to one incredible opportunity.
We're super excited and ready to see a project that has come from simple concept to what it is right now in an actual working prototype, a reality.
Legislatura 3, até tiro no centro.